Welcome to Riverwood Village, a charming Lennar Homes community in Wood Village, Oregon, a suburb of Portland. This wonderful area is close to many recreational opportunities, as well as a great variety of walkable retail options. Riverwood Village is less than 30 minutes from downtown Portland and 90 minutes away from the beautiful Oregon coast, offering a fun community park and well-designed traditional two-story homes. You'll appreciate gorgeous upgrades like stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen cabinetry, and granite countertops. Plus, your family will benefit from the latest state-of-the-art home automation products and a technologically savvy living experience, all included at no additional cost. Located in the Reynolds School District, your family will benefit from access to great programs, including athletics, and a wide variety of options for continuing education, all conveniently located nearby. Less than an hour's drive east is Mount Hood, skiing, hiking, and an array of national forest and winter recreation opportunities. Also just a few minutes east, treat yourself to the scenic beauty and outdoor activities of the historic Columbia River Gorge. There is plenty to explore just minutes from home, with the well-known Edgefield McMenamins right down the street, as well as a variety of parks and community resources. The Wood Village area offers you an abundance of things to do, as well as great places to work. Local employment opportunities abound across a wide array of industries. After work, play a round of golf at the gorgeous Persimmon Country Club. Living in a Lennar home at Riverwood Village means you benefit from a close-knit community, a stone's throw away from everything the Pacific Northwest has to offer. Enjoy all of this and more in your new Lennar home.